Okay, hi drummers out there. I'm just doing this in response to having been asked a couple of times recently, surprisingly in a way, about the paradiddle and why we use a paradiddle as modern drummers. What relevance is the paradiddle to the modern drum set, and why do we teach a paradiddle? My personal response to this is the paradiddle can be looked upon as a gear shift when playing groups of four. So if I'm playing groups of four, if I want to make this sound, the most obvious way to make that sound is using two hands and accenting the first of every four. So that's the sound I want. Now, a paradiddle gets one hand up in the air early, because while one hand is diddling, the other hand is up in the air. See that hand's up? This means that the hand that's going to play the accent is ready to play that accent way early. So if I'm making this sound with the single strokes, the hand making the accent only has one note in which to get up in the air. So although this is quite common, as that gets faster, that becomes wearing to do. So if I switch gear, a shift gear, to a paradiddle, I'm making the same sound, but I'm working half as hard. So I get a bit faster now. Switch to a paradiddle. Now I've halved my work rate and I can push the speed up. So I'm now faster than the single strokes would get. Now as far as the drum set is concerned, we are multi-level, multi-timbral if you like, so I've got different things to hit at different angles, not angles, different heights I mean. So if I'm getting that stick up in the air, see from there I've got pretty much anywhere I can go. So the idea is to get that stick up. Now if I play single strokes, see that's wearing me up. If I use a paradiddle, faster than the singles, and it's less effort. Even more so for the cymbals, because these are higher up. So I need to get that stick in the air. You could even say that speed is not important with a paradiddle. The idea of the paradiddle is to get that, use the diddle to get the other stick up. So again, single strokes. Can't get much faster than that. I know a lot of you probably can, but I can't. So I use the paradiddle. I'm already up to that speed, and it's so much easier. So that's the modern way of selling the paradiddle. It's a gear shift. Use that diddle to get that other hand up and you can shift gear and get to greater speeds. Okay, hope that helps. See you later.